Kospet, the watch that you want, is back again with another great budget smartwatch. This time, the Tank M2, another rugged smartwatch with military grade and a lovely design.
I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Tiago here, welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Kospet Tank M2. The Kospet Tank M2 smartwatch has a price tag of £103, but for now, it costs only £78, so you will save £25. For the US, the price tag of the Kospet Tank M2 is $119.99 and the price now is $89.99, so we will save $30. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. On the box, you have the manuals, a magnet USB charger with 2 magnetic pins, a silicone strap, and the watch itself. Checking the watch, it looks amazing. It has a 2-color liquid silicone rubber, making it a vibrant rugged smartwatch. The bezel and the bottom of the Tank M2 are made of high-strength metal and stainless steel panel, giving it high resistance to vibrations, drop and car crashes. The M2, like its brother, the T2, is made for outdoor activities, so the M2 has also military grade and is based also on the 12 US testers. On the bezel, you have the Kospet logo on the top, Tank at the bottom, Power and Back on the right, and Sports on the left. In the middle, you have 2 small triangles where the microphones are, because this watch have Bluetooth calling. At the back, you have the health sensors in the middle and the charging dots at the top. On the right side, you have the power and the back button, and on the left, you have the sports button. The Kospet M2 measures 265mm by 43.7mm. Its thickness is 14mm and weighs 60 grams, so it's not a small watch. Let's see the specs now. Starting with the CPU, is the Realtek 8763EW. It has a display size of 1.85 inches IPS with a res of 320 by 385. It's full metal body with military certification. Full health tracking, HR, SpO2, blood pressure and sleep tracking. It has Bluetooth calling. It has 70 sports mode with smart recognition, more in that later on. 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof. It has a battery capacity of 380 mAh battery. Bluetooth 5.0 and the app Kospet Fit. And this is how it looks on my wrist. It's big, but the screen is amazing, I would say. It's nice to have a bigger screen sometimes. Battery life. It comes with a magnetic charging base, simply fits in the back and is very secure. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge the 380 mAh battery. You can expect 50 days on a standby, with a normal daily use around 10 to 15 days. It will take around 2 hours to fully charge. Let's have a closer look to the OS. Swiping down will take you to the quick settings, where you can go to the low power mode, or go into your settings. Swiping up will take you to your notifications. Swiping left will take you to your tiles, where you have the daily activities, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, weather, and you can add more if you wish. Swiping right will take you to your apps. No difference from his brother, the T2. To change the watch faces, press the center like in any other smartwatch. You can also change it in the app, more in the app in a few minutes. The Kospet Tank M2, like his brother T2, was made thinking about outdoors. It has 70 sports mode with intelligent recognition of 6 sports. So, if you do running, for example, the watch will recognize that you are running and will ask you if you want to record your running session. Great feature on a budget smartwatch. The app Kospet Fit. Changing the watch faces on the app is so easy. You just tap the ones you want and it will change quickly. On the app, you can see all the information about your sleeping, your heart rate, throughout the day, your SpO2, information about your blood pressure, steps weekly and monthly. You can record all your workouts. You can adjust all your settings. A simple app that works great. And like I said on the Kospet T2 video, I'm sure that Kospet will keep updating the app and will make the app even more complete. Kospet Tank M2, a great design, lots of features, fitness built in, health tracking 24/7, one amazing 1.85 inches Super HD display, 5 ATM waterproof, and full metal body with military certification. At this price point, the Kospet Tank M2 is one of the best choice possible. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them in the comments. And that's it guys, this was our review on another great smartwatch from Kospet, the Kospet Tank M2. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.